Hello teacher, myself Ratha Barazili. I am here with my group mates to give a presentation on corporation law. Now I will let myself to acknowledge you on the basics of corporation law that we have done research on. Corporate law is a legal or legislative factor that includes governing the rights and relation of companies and individuals. The term corporation law also refers to the legal practices of law relating to corporations and the theory of corporations. This artifact will focus on the case studies of Saturday Night Live to answer the questions asked against the case studies. So now I will let my friend to describe on the second part of our presentation.
Hello, so here I'm going to discuss about the overview of the case in question 1. In the question 1, the case study is about the James Burton tendency. In this case, he wants to purchase share in Saturday Night Live, and he purchased a share of 1000. As a new shareholder, he asked certain questions like the meaning of shareholder and the members. So after that, we have got relevant sections of the Corporations Act 2001. In the first one, the section number 167 of the Corporation Act 2001. It says that an individual can be a member of an organization or limited based on the share. So after that, we have got one thing more, that is the chapter 2F, Members' Rights and Remedies of the Corporation Act, stated that a person needs to agree after registration to be a member. So after all of that, we come to the advice to James that it is advised that shareholder is a person who buy a portion of share in a company, while registration in a company can lead a person to be a member. If a person transfers share and share become 45, then C's can be raised.
Hi everyone, here I am Prince. I'm going to talk about question number 2 raised by James at annual general meeting, which was to commence at 1 p.m. on the day. The chair was late due to the traffic jam. While on the way, there was a lot of traffic, so he got late. And at the 1:10, James raised the question that it's a procedural irregularity which can only be rectified by conducting the overall meeting again. As a secretary, I will first quote about the section 249(3) and wait for 30 minutes from the time of meeting started. Even then, if the chair would not be there in the meeting, then it would be the matter of further discussion. As per the James point of view, procedural irregularity cannot be justified as per the case law of Chalet nominees versus Murray. The case law states that deliberate conduct cannot be considered as procedural irregularity. So, in this situation, the chair is stuck in traffic, which is clearly a deliberate conduct. So, it cannot be counted as procedural irregularity. So, all the questions raised by James are not valid on the point of law. The next question, the question number 3, will be discussed by other group member.
Hi everyone, my name is Jugaraj and I'm going to talk about the question number 3. In the first slide, Alan, the chief executive officer, knew that there was a search for tender for doing the renovation work which was needed in the company, and Alan had a family member who's engaged in a renovation work but did not tell anyone. But Alan not only said about the opportunities but also disclosed all the information about price change. Then later Alan attended the meeting and did not confirm his relationship with the tender, and later he wins the contract. The second slide is about the potential liability of Alan. The principles of confidentiality refrains a CEO from revealing any confidential information to the outsiders without having a proper authority. According to the principles, it also refrains a CEO for using any confidential information as a personal benefit or advantage to the third party, even if in a certain circumstances put pressure on a CEO to disclose any information. A CEO must consider taking any legal or professional advice before disclosure. And Allen did not maintain any confidentiality outside the office hour, and he has also violated the code of conduct for his personal gains, which also make an adverse impact on his professional career. And the next conclusion part will be covered by the next group member.